Yo, it's the PJ Bandits again. So, on tonight's agenda, we're not going to be singing.
Sadly, sorry.
Maybe. So today, we went to a wrestling tournament.
Oh my god.
I was wingmanning, okay? I was wingmanning for her. I don't know. But I really didn't care because, okay, once we got there, there was these really hot guys.
And
they
no
were all
shirts on.
half naked with, like, tight pants. You could see their junk. It was amazing. Amazing. So, any hot wrestlers or any hot guys in spandex that are watching this?
Hit us up.
Hit us up.
Definitely.
So that was pretty exciting. That was a good excitement for the day. Second thing we're going to talk about is music. We always have music going all the time. That's why we sing in the car and dance everywhere we go.
Everywhere.
So even when we're not recording, we're still driving around and dancing. So it's pretty cool. Right now we have All Time Low. They're awesome. We love Justin Azuka.
Yeah, if you haven't seen the other video of us singing After Tonight, then you need to go watch it because it's amazing.
It's in our other videos. We have Forever on there too, but we're gonna put up more.
Brown.
We're gonna put up more later. So bad drivers.
I could kill them. Literally kill them.
Okay, so the other day, I'm just driving along. Oh no, it was today.
Yeah,
We were driving.
I was in front of her.
I was following her because she drives slower than me.
Some dumbass decided he's gonna pass the truck.
Right in front of us. So she slams on her brakes, therefore I had to slam on my brakes. So she goes and she flips him off like, oh! So, and then I'm like on my horn. What a douchebag. Like, seriously, wait before you
If
pass
I
him.
knew that I wouldn't get hurt and my car wouldn't get hurt, I'd probably crash into him.
On purpose.
On purpose.
I don't know. So then
Whatever.
this one time, it's whatever. So then this one time, I was driving down the freeway. This guy, the freeway is completely empty. This guy pulls out in front of me and then cuts right in front of me. Nobody else was even around. Okay, so what I did is I backed up and then turned off my high beams and then rode up and got right on his butt and flashed my high beams on. I scared the crap out of him. Not gonna lie, it was pretty damn funny, but I'm never gonna do that again. Well, maybe.
Oh, you could get in a serious car crash.
I mean, it's whatever. Okay,
Like,
so
I would
next.
die if you died.
So parties. Parties.
They're fun. Sometimes.
Sometimes, if there's not, like, creepers there. Because everybody knows there's that one guy at the party. And he's always really weird. And he's always, like, lurking around. And
Or asks to make out with you.
Okay, this last night, we went to this party. And there's this guy there. And he
The
was
shall remain unnamed.
unnamed. Call him Delta. So, he was there. And he literally asked 5 of us.
All in a row to
Five.
make out with him.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
To make
5.
out with him. Outrageous. Check yourself. So then, okay, girls at parties. Okay.
You're dumb.
If you're nice, like, okay, we're the type of girls that are like, oh, hey, I'm Brooke,
Yeah.
she's Leanne.
Even if it's like our party, we're gonna be chill.
Because it's our party, right? Well, even if we're at other people's parties, we're still like, oh, hey, we'll be nice to you. No, we hate dumb girls. They're stupid. Just, like, be nice. Like, what is so wrong about being nice? Like, get over yourself. So,
Seriously.
yeah, no extremely drunk guys, no creepers.
Drinking is kind of dumb.
It is kind of, it's
I
kind
don't
of overrated a little bit.
I
But,
won't do that.
yeah. Okay, so Mountain Mike's. I don't know if everybody knows about Mountain Mike's, but it's, like,
His place.
in California.
Is it anywhere else?
I really have no idea. Let us
Tell
know.
us.
Let us know. So Mountain Mike's has this pizza that has like an abundance of red sauce. Why? I don't know.
It's disgusting.
Like lay
And
off. Lay
It
off.
gives horrible heartburn.
Like heartburn for days. Like I have acid reflux and I have heartburn for at least like 6 hours after I eat it. It's like chill out on the red sauce. Eat white sauce pizza. White sauce.
Unless you go to Pizza Plus, because their red sauce is pretty bomb.
Their white sauce is really good too. Okay, Pizza Bus is only in like 3 towns though. Oh. Anyway, so Halloween's coming up in like less than a month. So Halloween, what are you guys gonna be for Halloween? I'm being the 80s Virgin Bride Madonna. It's really cute, Lakes Avenue. If you jack that idea.
And I'm being a slutty baseball player that's also a vampire.
I mean, like, it's a win-win situation.
I don't know.
Like,
I mean, like, if you want me to suck your blood, I'm down.
Your blood, is that what you call it? Next, we're going to talk about Gali Polka.
Gali Polka is the shit.
Okay, that kid, crap.
The crap.
Okay,
we're
that
trying to
kid.
Stop cussing.
We're trying to.
It's difficult.
It's not working.
It's really bad.
Okay, so this kid Gali Polka, he's like 12. Okay, maybe 13. I think he's 13.
He just turned 13.
Okay, he just turned 13. He's really funny. Like,
we love you, Gali Polka.
We do. Like, you need to go look at his video because he's seriously like the most hilarious 12-year-old. If I wanted kids, I'd want him to look like Gali Polka because
and be exactly like Gali Polka.
He really is just that amazing. But yeah, so that's all we have to say for today. So if you want us to talk about anything, just post us a comment. Let us know. We'll talk about it. We'll like Urban Dictionary it if we don't know what it is, because that like saved my life. Like
in high school, we went to a high school. It's all gangster.
Okay.
And we didn't really know what anybody was talking about.
Like, who actually knew what London Bridge was when the song came out? Nobody.
Not me.
So I definitely, Urban Dictionary saved my butt on that one. So yeah, that's our websode for today. And just hit us up.
Go watch wrestling tournaments.
Hawkeyes. You know, here we are.
Mike's Super Short Show.
Okay, bye.